Also get some FNO cues out of the way then. Chandan Taparia joins in. Chandan, good morning. What are you looking at on the FNO side and what are the stocks to watch?
Good morning, Sonia. Thanks for having me. We have seen some consolidation in the market in that the declines were being bought, but due to the call writing, upside is being restricted. Recently, we have seen good run up from 17,777 and now market is finding hurdle near to key moving averages. We believe that some sort of consolidation could be there where decline could be bought and absence of follow-up is likely to be there. So we believe that any declines towards 18,081, which is the immediate support from last few days, can be bought with support of 18,018, and we are looking for an uptick towards 18,181 to 18,250. So likely to trade in a 18,000 to 18,250 zone. And even if I look at the option chain, the put writing is visible at 18,000 strike and call writing is intact at 18,200. If I look at the data setup, put call ratio is 1.02, VIX is below 15. That is also giving some sort of range bound bias where decline could be bought, but follow up is likely to missing in the market. Now, if I talk about the bank nifty, it is forming a narrow range inside bar from 2 consecutive days, and it need to now take support near to 42,700 to 42,800, and that is going to decide the next leg of rally in the bank nifty. Now, looking at the stock wise, first that is buy on REC Limited. We have seen good momentum in most of these power finance companies, including REC, PFC, and REC has seen the good rollover of around 90% in the last series. At the beginning of this series, in last 2 days, we have seen 10% long built up, which clearly indicates consolidation, breakout, and fresh trigger to the counter. So recommending to buy with a stop loss of 117, and here we can see a target towards 126. Second trading idea, that is from the auto pack, buy on Ashok Leyland. This stock has negated at lower highs, lower lows on the daily and the weekly, and surpasses falling supply trend line. 90-91% rollover with better roll cost, indicating that now positive bias could turn to the counter. Even we have seen a crossover of 50-day exponential moving average that also adds the positive strength in the counter. So recommending to buy with a stop loss of 145. Here we have a target towards 155. Last trading idea, that is buy on metal. We have seen good process in most of the metal name, and RRG relative rotation graph is indicating strength. However, due to the weakness in the global market, some dip could be seen, but that could be bought smartly looking at the nature of the metal name. So recommending to buy Hindalco on decline with support of 475. Can look for a bounce towards 505 to 510 in this stock.
Okay, Chandan, thanks a lot for that. Appreciate your thoughts. Let's slip into a quick break. We'll come back with the pre-opening rates.